Hello friends, welcome to our channel Daily GK Hub. Here in this channel you will find the GK MCQ questions which are very important for all competitive exams, whether it's national level, state level or various competitive exams. So let's start the video. The first question is, which animal cannot walk backwards? The answer is kangaroo. Yes friends, kangaroos cannot walk backward for several reasons. Firstly, kangaroos do not walk at all, they hop. The hopping movement is referred to as saltation, but whether they hop or crawl, they cannot do it backward. By crawling, kangaroos use their front paws to glide along the ground. The second and the most important reason why they cannot walk backward is the presence of the thick, long and muscular tail. The tail is also not very flexible and often acts as the third leg. The feet are also very big and muscular and are designed to move in a forward direction effectively and prevent the backward movement. However, kangaroos can move slightly backward in a rearward motion only during a fight to avoid injury. The next question is, name the only mammal that flies. The answer is bats. Bats are the only mammals that actually fly, flapping their wings to propel them in flight. Some mammals such as flying squirrels only glide rather than fly. Because bats are unique, they are classified in their own special order of mammals, called Chiroptera. The next question is, which bird can rotate its head up to 360 degrees? The answer is owl. An owl is a nocturnal bird, which means it sleeps during the day and is awake at night. Owls are carnivores. They eat rodents, small and medium-sized mammals, insects, fish and other birds. Owls can rotate their neck back up to 270 degrees. Owl can move its neck backward to a large extent. The next question is, what kind of creature is that which tastes with its feet? The answer is butterfly. This ability to taste with their feet is crucial for the survival of butterflies. It allows them to identify suitable plants on which to lay their eggs by recognizing specific chemical compounds emitted by these plants. Additionally, butterflies can also use their feet to determine if a surface is suitable for feeding by extracting nutrients. This way they can avoid expending their precious energy on non-nutritive surfaces. The next question is, which animal can sleep for 3 years? The answer is snails. Snails can sleep for 3 years. They need moisture to survive, and if the weather is not likewise, they sleep up to 3 years. Snails' ancestors are one of the earliest known types of animals in the world. The next question is, how many teeth does a mosquito have? The answer is 47. Instead of teeth, they have a 6 prolonged micro-needle system which allows them to pierce the skin and find blood vessels. 2 of their outermost needles have 47 tiny teeth, which they use to saw through skin. Through the proboscis, the mosquito injects a bit of its saliva as a coagulant. The next question is, which animal cannot jump? The answer is elephant. Elephant can run up to 25 miles per hour. However, they remain the only mammal on the earth that can't jump. They always keep one leg on the ground even when running. The next question is, which is the tallest animal on earth? The answer is giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Males can grow up to 18 feet tall, while females can reach 14 feet tall. The giraffe's chief distinguishing characteristics are its extremely long neck and legs. It is classified by the International Union for Conservation of Nature as vulnerable to extinction. The next question is, which is the most poisonous fish in the world? The answer is pufferfish or stonefish. Pufferfish is the most poisonous fish. Tetraodontidae is a family of primarily marine and estuarine fish of the order Tetraodontiformes. The family includes many familiar species variously called pufferfish, puffers, balloonfish, blowfish, blowfish, bowlfish, globefish, shellfish, toadfish, toadies, honey toads, sugar toads, and sea crab. The puffer, which is also called shellfish and blowfish. Pufferfish may contain the potent and deadly toxin tetrodotoxin and saxitoxin, which can cause several illness and death. These are the central nervous system toxins and are more deadly than cyanide. Symptoms start within 20 minutes to 2 hours after eating the toxic fish. Venomous fish are a species of fishes that produce a strong mixture of toxin harmful to humans called venom, which they deliberately delivers by means of a bite, sting, or stab, resulting in a envenomation. The most venomous known fish is the reef stonefish. The next question is, which animal gives birth to a child despite being a male? The answer is seahorse. Yes friends, seahorse is the animal. In seahorses and pipefish, it is the male that gets pregnant and gives birth. Seahorse fathers incubate their developing embryos in a pouch located on their tail. The pouch is the equivalent of the uterus of female mammals. It contains a placenta supporting the growth and development of baby seahorses. The next question is, which animal may have stopped breathing for 6 days? The answer is scorpion. Scorpions are organisms which can hold their breath for up to even 6 days. Scorpions are called arachnids, which are members of the animal kingdom's arachnid class. Their modified lungs, which are known as book lungs, also allow them to hold their breath for so long. The next question is, which is the only snake that builds a nest? The answer is king cobra. It is a snake eater and the nest helps attract other snakes. It is a viviparous snake and needs a nest to give birth to its offspring. It is an oviparous snake and lays its eggs in the nest and guards the nest until they are hatched. It is a large cold-blooded animal and needs a nest to hibernate in the cold season. The next question is, which part of the brain eliminates fear of a man forever? The answer is amygdala. Researchers found that damage to the amygdala disrupts fear conditioning. In other words, if you damage a rat's amygdala and then put it into a fear conditioning experiment, it would learn to fear the tone, no matter how many times the tone is paired with a shock. Thank you.